everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you work with Salesforce or even just keep an eye on how sales technology is evolving, today's video is one you don't want to miss because Salesforce Spring 26 is here and it's not just an update, it's a shift in how selling actually works. Let's talk about Sales Cloud Spring 26, or as Salesforce calls it now, Agentforce Sales. So first things first, Sales Cloud has evolved into Agentforce Sales. What does that mean? It means AI agents are no longer just helping in the background. They're actively working with your sales rep. We are talking about AI agents that can generate leads, nurture them, qualify them based on your ideal customer profile, answer prospect questions, and even schedule meetings automatically. Basically, while your reps focus on closing deals, AI takes care of the busy work. Now, when humans and AI work together, you need one place to see everything. And that's where Sales Workspace comes in. Sales Workspace is like a command center for sales reps. It brings together pipeline insights, leads, opportunities, account research, meetings, and even Agentforce recommendations, all in one place. Less switching tabs, more selling. Simple as that. Next up, account planning just got a lot smarter. With Spring 26, account plans can now pull data from entire account ranking, not just one account. This is huge for enterprise and global sales teams because now you get a true consolidated view of performance across all related accounts without custom workarounds. Let's talk about reports and dashboards because yes, Salesforce improved that too. You can now add custom disclaimers to exported reports, which is great for compliance and data governance. And on top of that, Salesforce now allows custom Lightning Web components on dashboards in beta. So teams can show advanced insights right alongside standard reports. Now, one of my favorite updates, flow approvals. Salesforce is clearly moving away from old school approval processes. With Salesforce 26, users can trigger approvals directly from record pages, select approvers, add comments, and admins can even debug specific approval steps. If you manage complex deal approvals for opportunities or quotes, this is a big win. Another important update, Einstein Activity Capture. Emails and activities are now fully reportable as Salesforce data, with better monitoring and failure reporting for admins. This finally gives sales team a complete, accurate view of customer interactions in one place. And along the same lines, Einstein Conversation Insights is also moving natively into Salesforce, making conversations data easier to report on and automate. A quick note on sales planning, the legacy version is being retired and Salesforce is rolling out smarter territory planning, overlapping boundaries, and faster performance powered by Hyperforce. And finally, Sales Dialer. New licenses are no longer available and Salesforce is encouraging customers to move towards Service Cloud Voice instead. So what's the big takeaway from Spring 26? Salesforce is clearly moving towards an AI-first, agent-driven sales model, where automation, insights, and executions are deeply connected. But to truly unlock the value, organizations need the right strategy, setup, and adoption plan. And with that, we are wrapping up today's update. To stay updated with more info from the Salesforce ecosystem, make sure to hit like, comment your favorite features from this release, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to share this with your techie friends. We'll see you soon with another update.